Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2015 Yamaha YZF R3. This entry-level sport bike has just under 1,300 miles on it and will be going through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you today and then we'll fire it up. So I don't see the telltale signs on this bike that it's ever been tipped over. The tires on it are really good. Got plenty of miles on it because of the low mileage. But it looks like it was rubbed up against something. Got a little mark here on the wall, or on the mirror. A little spot here on the middle fairing. And a little mark on the exhaust. Garage wall maybe. But like I said, the rest of it, there's no chips and scratches, nothing on the bar end or lever that tells me it's been tipped over. And I did notice one little scratch here too. Kind of see that. So really, this bike is all stock other than the tank pad that's been added to it. Same with the rear tire, good shape. Looks like there's plenty of miles still left on that. Like I said, nice clean bike, other than a couple of scuffs on it. And they're just odd marks. 1,281 miles is what's on this bike. This 2015 Yamaha YZF R3 is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it will be going through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.